25 likes, I'll shave his back.
Beach day. We're gonna be on YouTube. I think I've seen this on Pinterest, guys, but I love it. He's out of the sand, chilling, shade, chilling, loving life. Bella playing. You're like a mermaid.
You are a mermaid, right?
Guys, at this point I wish I fucking paddleboard, but I don't know. I was worried. It's getting sandy. No, I didn't want it to get sandy, really. I didn't want it to clean it, and I thought about it, and then I was like, packing it. When I'm getting yelled at, I really didn't want to do that either. Tell me about your day. Just kidding. I like your hat though. Everybody having fun there? Yeah. Bella, what are you doing? Alright guys, let's go back to the ready?
Now you have to do one. Do one, do one, do one. Do one, come on. Dustin, do it. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Oh yeah, he does. I didn't want to tell him. He's had it since the house.
Really?
My paddleboard.
Oh! That was good! You almost got me! Oh! Oh! Oh, you got me! I'll get you!
Alright guys, so we're in the water now. Look at these waves. I hope you guys are getting a good view of this. I'm getting crushed. Oh shoot! Oh shoot, it dropped the camera. Oh, let's go back. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh god. What if I just passed out right here? Will you guys save me? I did, but you don't know. Oh my god! It's pushing me! Hey, look where it went. Oh. You guys, say hi to you. Say hi to you too. Is it weird that I'm vlogging? Bella, my eyes! My eyes, come here, hurry! Listen, I'll help you. My eyes! Ow! Ow! I got salt in my eyes! Ah! I can't see! I know, I'm gonna be, I'm like Daredevil. I'm going blind. Oh my god. Oh, leg lifts. Bella, hurry up, get up. Stand up. Oh! Oh my, this is fun, huh? I'm worried about how the video is gonna be. Like if I'm getting like down there or up here. I hope so. I can't. I'm gonna get the app. I want to get the stick.
Also, you know you can get an attachment for the screen for that, like a screen to put on the back.
Really? I want to get the like selfie stick. I'm gonna get the stick so I can vlog like this, and the little.
Just get the thing that goes on your waist. So that way you can just be walking like right here.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's weird in public.
So is this.
Oh yeah, true. Well, I still want to get. It's like a stick this big, and it floats. Like the handle floats.
Like in the water? Oh,
Yeah.
So you can't drop it.
Yeah. I think that would. I can do it like this.
There you go. Hold it. That way you don't have to go back up there.
It's waterproof.
It's waterproof. I was like, it's waterproof.
Catch!
Hey, pop it.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna fall. Hey! What are you doing? Ah! I'm gonna get you! La, 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 la. Whoa! Whoa! Hold your board. Come on, hold your board. Hold it. Ready? Ready, ready? You ready? Go! Hey! Get your hands out your mouth. You look funny.
You look funny, Dad.
You look funny. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey. Hi. Yeah, that's gonna be a screenshot. Yeah.
Let's smile.
Look at this. What are they doing? We got the strong woman Olympics. Can she make it? I just got trucked by water. The water just pushed me over.
Gnarly.
It pushed you over? Say cheese. Say I love you. Say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and share with your friends and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. A lot more videos to come, and we'll see you next time.